yourself. It is something very, very important. You need to always prioritize self-care. Make sure that you always check yourself out and see that you are doing really, really well in terms of good health and stuff like that. So this is a masterclass on the use of artificial intelligence tool that is organized by Excellence Foundation for South Sudan. This is the second day. Yesterday we had the first day, and this is just more of a continuation, and we will dive into some of the tools that we were not able to look at yesterday. So, in the recap, yesterday we said that we would basically be looking at understanding these artificial intelligence productivity tools, the benefits of these artificial productivity tools, implementing these artificial intelligence productivity tools, and some of the tools by category, and then we look at a wrap up. So we say that artificial intelligence, or what we call the AI productivity tools, harness the power of artificial intelligence to enhance efficiency, automation, and decision making in various domains of work, or even students or schools. And we say that these AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data, they can detect patterns, and perform complex tasks in real time. And as a result, they empower individuals and organizations by streamlining processes, reducing manual effort, and unlocking new possibilities at work and in school. So, what are the benefits of these AI tools that we talked about yesterday? We said that these artificial intelligence tools increase efficiency. How do they increase efficiency? One, by automating time consuming tasks, which reduce manual effort, and they also accelerate processes, allowing teams to focus on more strategic activities. And we also said that they scale operations efficiently, handling large volumes of work in less time. And another benefit is improved decision making, where we say that the AI tools can analyze large data sets, identifying patterns and trends, generate data driven insights, facilitating informed decision making, and enhance accuracy and reduce the risk of human error. And we also say that it enhances customer experience, where we mentioned that when you go to some websites, they have AI powered chatbots which provide instant and personalized customer support and also improve response time, resolve queries, and enhance customer satisfaction. And as a result of this artificial intelligence tool, you find that we have 24/7 availability for customer care experience, which ensures round the clock support. And when we looked at the implementation of these artificial intelligence productivity tools, we say that first of all, as an individual, you need to identify areas where you think you can benefit by using artificial intelligence. And we say that you need to do this by assessing your existing processes and identify some of the kind of tasks that you think can benefit from artificial intelligence tools. And we also say that if it is in the case of an organization, you can involve the stakeholders and subject matter experts to understand the pain points and requirements for the implementation of AI. We also mentioned that you need to research thoroughly the available artificial intelligence productivity tools, and then you consider their features, compatibility, and user reviews. And then you need to shortlist the tools that align with the organization's objectives and requirements. So again, you after doing the research and after doing the assessment, you need to do what we call a pilot implementation. So the pilot implementation is where you kind of test and see whether this is something that can work for you. Yeah. So you do this by selecting a small scale pilot project to test the AI tools that you have chosen to see whether they're effective and whether this is something that you want to use. And then we also talked about gathering feedback, measure results, and refine the implementation strategy if needed. And then after that, it's very important that you train and see how people can adopt. You do this by conducting training sessions so that you can familiarize yourself with the AI tool that you want to use. And then you encourage adoption by showcasing the benefits and addressing concerns. And then you monitor the implementation, provide support, and adopt as necessary. So we looked at some of the AI tools. Some of them we say they are chatbots and content creation. We looked at Google Bard. We looked at Perplexity. We say that Google Bard is available on the browser. You can use on both your computer and phone by going to google.bard.com. And then we have Perplexity. You can get Perplexity by going to perplexity.ai. It's available on both computer and phone. Perplexity also has an app that you can download from the App Store. And then we talk about Hugging Chat. So the Hugging Chat is available on both phone and computer, but you use it on the browser, not on a separate app. And then we have Tap AI. This one is also available on the browser for both your phone and your computer. And then we also looked at grammar checkers and rewarding tools. We looked at Grammarly. We looked at Wattune, and we looked at Quillbot. So we say that these ones help you check grammar of English language when you're writing, and also helps correct and helps in paraphrasing some of your paragraphs as well as the sentences. And then we looked at the artificial intelligence tools that you can use for taking notes. We looked at Notion. We said Notion comes in really handy because it also has an AI integration. So you can use it for taking notes, and you can use it for managing your projects. And then for video, we looked at Descript. We say Descript is good for transcription as well as for making audios and videos. We looked at image creation, where we looked at Canva, then we looked at Bing image generator, and then we looked at Midjourney. So we say that Canva is free, Bing image generator is free, but Midjourney is paid. And lastly, we looked at Calendly. So we say that some of you here are project managers. So some of you are project managers, and then you have a lot of meetings. Sometimes it's not easy for you to schedule meetings. But we say that with the use of Calendly as an artificial intelligence tools, you can actually just put your available meeting times in, and then when somebody wants to meet you, you can just send them a link, and then they will choose a meeting time which they will be able to meet you. And then another thing is this that I didn't mention yesterday. Also, most of you here, if you use a Google Calendar, Google Calendar has introduced this. You see, when you come to Google Calendar, Google Calendar has introduced an appointment scheduling tool, just like just like uh, just like uh, just like Calendar. You see, like ours for Excellence Foundation. You see, we have created a booking link. So with this, like when some, for instance, we come here, we put our schedule time, and then somebody can come to and open the booking page, just like the Calendly one you saw yesterday. So this is our booking page. Somebody can come here and choose which time they can meet us. You see, like our meeting times on Mondays, you can only meet us after work, 4:30 or 5:30. From Monday up to Friday, we are only available on this time. On Saturday, we can be available from 11. And then when somebody wants to meet us, they can click what time is there for us, and then they will click here, and then they will put their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, and then what is the purpose of the meeting? Why do they want to meet us? After that, they will click book, and then both of us will receive an email. They will receive an email, and we will receive an email that this meeting has been what? Has been booked. So this. If you don't want to use Calendly, you can use this one that is integrated in your Google Calendar. And I think also most of we who use Microsoft at work, if you use Microsoft, you can also. I believe that Microsoft also has a scheduling tool that can come in handy for you when you want to schedule meetings. So these are some of the things we looked at yesterday, except any of you has a question about yesterday's tools. Does any of you have a question? Those who are there yesterday. Do you have a question about these things we looked at yesterday? Okay, looks like there's no question. Good. So if there's no question, I told you yesterday that today when we come, one of the things that we want to look at is email management. So most of you use emails, and one of the things that for me, as somebody who writes emails, is for me, I am usually very keen to see whether people really read my emails. Do people really read the email I send? You see that? So, for me to do this, what I do is I use what we call an email tracker. So, the email tracker can send you a notification to see if somebody was really able to, did somebody really read my email? This is it. So, the tool that I use for my email is called Streak. So, with the Streak, it is this is of course use it on your what? On your phone. Sorry, on your computer, not phone. So it is a Chrome extension. So you click this, add to Chrome. So you click add to Chrome. Like so, when you click add to, looks like this screen is not showing. Okay. So this is where you come to the website for Streak. Streak is here. Streak. Let me just share this in the chat. Go to Streak. Streak.com. So when you come to Streak, you click this add to Chrome. So when you click add to Chrome, then it will take you to the Chrome store. It will take you to the Chrome store, and then you add to your what, to your Chrome store. So after adding to your Chrome store, then when you come to your Gmail, you see this is my Gmail. This is our Gmail for the organization. So you will see it up here. You see this strict basic here, up here, at the top right, where there's this setting, and then there's a question mark, and then there's strict. So this means that the extension has been added to my what, to my Chrome. You see this. So when I send an email to people, let me come to my send. When I send an email to people, and then let me say I let me say that I, you see here, it will you see here this thing at the right corner, you see here it shows an eye icon plus this means that this email was read 14 days ago. This one was read 13 days ago. This one was read 18 days ago, 21 days ago, 16 days ago. You see? And then when you open the email itself, then when you open the email, you will see an eye icon. You see? It shows you when the email was opened. You see it was opened here on this day, October 15th, October 15th, and this. And then also it has 4 views. It was viewed 4 times. You see? So this is how Streak works. So next, so like when this is the free version, but when you pay, you can even get more and more features. But for me, I just want to know whether my email was read or not. So the free one actually works for me very well. So this one also helps, especially if you are somebody who is applying for jobs. Like even you're wondering whether your email was really open or not, or maybe you're working on a serious project and you want to see whether people are really reading the emails that you are sending or they are not reading. So Streak can work for you really, really well. Just add it on your Chrome, on your computer, and then you should be good to go. Yes. So another tool that I like so much is sender icons, because the sender icons help quickly identify the send of email messages in Gmail without opening the message. So sometimes I really don't want to open the email, but I want to know where this email came from, which organization, this email came from. Okay, so what you do is there's what you call Gmail sender icon. This is one of it. It is a Chrome extension. You see this Gmail sender icon. You can add it to what? To Chrome. You can add it to Chrome. Um, you can add it to Chrome like this. I add. It's downloading. So it is added. It is added to Chrome. So once it is added like this, okay, and then I come to my Gmail inbox, okay, then I refresh my Gmail. Let me refresh my Gmail. So when I refresh my Gmail like this, uh, now you will see this. Okay, now you will see, you see in the Gmail, you see, even this image will show you that this Gmail is from @gmail.com. This one is from, you see, this one, it will show you the logo of the organization that it came from, plus the domain. Before you even open what? The email. You see, this one is from Funds for NGOs, premium.com. This one is from globalgiving.org. This one is from unicef.org. This one is from Prevent GBV Africa. This one is from un.org. This one is from shemrush.com. You see, before I open the email, I already know where the email is coming from. You see, so this is the work of the sender icons. So what you do is, if you want to install this, I'm sending you the link. The link is in the chat box. You can install it in your Chrome on the it works perfectly on the computer, so no need to install it on a phone. Okay, and then the other one is this one. The other one only shows you the icon, and it doesn't show you the what. This one shows only the icons, but it will not show you the domain. But the first one is good. The first one shows you the domain as well as the icons. So I would advise you just choose the first one and go with it, so that you can know like who sent you an email actually before you open the email itself. So at least you have an idea of where the email is coming from. Yeah, so that is it for this. And then the next one is called Compose AI. So Compose AI is a Chrome extension that cuts your writing by 40% with AI powered auto completion and text generation. So some of us here, we receive a lot of emails. Sometimes we receive really, really long emails. So like then it can be hard. Like for me, I may not have time to read really all these emails. So I may, with this Compose AI, it can actually read the email for you and suggest some replies. Okay. So what you do is just go to compose.ai. This is it. This is the website for compose.ai. So with this compose.ai, you can, yeah. So this you can say download Chrome. In my case, I have already downloaded. Yeah. So you see here it shows that I already have. So you come to Chrome Store, I already have. So, but for you, just down on your computer. It works on a computer again. It works on a computer, not on a phone. So when you add it like this, now let me come back to my Gmail. Let's say I have received this email. Okay, then it is here. Very, very long. You see? Now my Compose AI is already here. It wants me to generate an email replying to this. You see? Then here I may say yes for whatever the person is asking for, or I can say no for whatever the person, or I can say thanks for for whatever the person is saying. So let me say thanks. Then it will generate a reply for this email. You see, it's writing, it's writing. You see, and then still writing, still writing. And then also you see this Gmail. It has these ones are from Gmail. The one I showed you yesterday. It's called the Google Labs. So here you can help write. This one is from Grammarly. Grammarly can also reply on my behalf, you see. And this one is still not coming. Let me just say it again. Sometimes when the email is too generic, it misbehaves sort of. Oh, it's not working. So let me try another email. Another email. Let me see if okay, let me try these ones. Let me just say thanks. Thanks to the person who wrote this email. Yeah, you see here, it has written the email. Dear this, thank you for sharing the presentations from today's bi-weekly meeting. Your problem is provided to is clearly. I look forward to receiving the draft minutes of the meeting. Regards, you see. So it drafted a reply to this email without me actually having to read the email. This means that it read the email and stuff like that. And then let's look at the one for Grammarly, okay? For Grammarly, it's here. Um, but this one is when you're using a paid version of Grammarly. It's called Grammarly Go. So you see, I reply quickly. It will read the email for me. You see, it says here that this is the summary of the what of the this is the summary of the email. Mabior shared presentations from the NCC bi-weekly meeting and will follow up with draft minutes. You see, then now it gives me some options to reply here. Let me acknowledge received and for sharing the presentation. Confirm your review and draft minutes. Okay, let me just acknowledge receive. And then here it will draft. You see, so this is a reply that it is drafting for me. So if I want, then I can. So at the end, I will not, if you are someone who receives a lot of emails, it will reduce your time of having to manually actually reply to these emails. You can just instruct it and it's able to generate good, really good replies for you. So that is how Compose AI works for your email. Yes, so that is it for emails. If you have any questions, you can ask. Any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask with the email management tools. Yes, Moro.
Yes, I think it looks awesome. The Gmail or Google related kind of communications. What about Outlook? Is there another tool for the same for Outlook?
Yes. So there like there are some of them. Some of them actually work for Outlook, but the problem is I am a Gmail person. I use Outlook, but I use Outlook for Excellence Foundation, but I don't use it all that much. So that is why I sort of I sort of get stuck to Outlook. But Grammarly works also on Outlook, and then there are also the email tracking tools for Outlook. So what you do is just come here. For instance, just come to Google and you say Outlook. Let's say email tracker for Outlook. Yes, you see this one. This one is good. It works. And then also we have this mail track. this mail track from the Microsoft Store. It works for Outlook. So you try this. Try this one for Outlook. Moro. Let me just share in the chat box. This one works for Outlook. It works well. And then for replies, uh, Grammarly works for Outlook. It works there. And then also this email tracker works for Outlook. This one here. This one. So the thing is, you have to go and download it from the what? From the App Store, because you see for Google, you download them from Google Store, but then for Outlook, you download it from the Microsoft Store. So that is how it works. But then this works perfectly for also this one or this one. So you just choose one. This one I have tried it for Gmail, but I don't like it because it puts a watermark. It puts itself below the emails. But I think this one looks fine. It works. It will work well with Outlook. Thank you. Um, yes. So somebody wants to. Yes. Yes. My short. Grammarly is an AI tool. You can use it. Actually, you said you came late, but I was just explaining how Grammarly can help you read emails for you. So, for instance, in this email of mine, in this email inbox, I have Grammarly extension installed, and it's actually Grammarly for Business. It's the paid version. So what happens is, for instance, I receive this email. Yeah, I received this email. So, but I don't want to reply it to my. I don't want to reply to this email myself. Yeah. So what I can do is I will click reply, and then you already see the Grammarly icon here. Use Moses. I don't know if you're following, but you should be able to see this. This, you see this reply quickly.
Yes,
This
I'm
live
following.
icon.
I'm looking at your screen. Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you see this. This is reply quickly. So when I click this reply quickly, Grammarly will read the email for me. You look at the top right. You see, it tells me this email is just about Mabur sharing presentations from an NCC biweekly meeting and promises to follow up with draft minutes. Now, Grammarly is giving me options, three ways for me to reply to this email. One way is by thanking them for sharing the presentation. Another way is to confirm the receipt and appreciate their effort. Another thing is to acknowledge the upcoming draft minutes and express gratitude. So maybe let's say that I want to reply using option 3. Okay, let me say I want to reply using option 2. I want to confirm receipt, and I also want to appreciate their effort. So I will click this, okay? Then it writes for me a reply. You see, dear Mabio, I hope this email finds you well. Thank you for sharing the presentations from the NCC bi-weekly meeting today. I confirm receipt of presentations and appreciate your effort in sharing with us. Looking forward to receiving the draft minutes of the meeting. Best wishes. If this reply is something that is good for me, then I will just click what? Insert. Then if it is the way I want, then I will just click send, and the email will what? Will go. Okay. Another way of using Grammarly is this. When you look at this Grammarly icon, you see here at the end here. So I will click open Grammarly Go. So here I will, under this box, you see this box, tell us what you want to reply. You will write anything, you will just write the instructions of how you want it to go. You write the instruction here. Then you say, maybe say, apologize for not attending the meeting, but promise to review the materials shared. Maybe this is a reply that I want. And then I will just click go. You see, and then so you see it has generated another reply here. So that is how Grammarly work. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, thank you so much, Bida.
Okay, great. Yeah. So another person, Mawood, I check, is saying you repeat string. So like I said, if you are a Gmail person, okay, if you're somebody who uses Gmail a lot, and sometimes you send email to people and you wonder whether those people will read your email or they didn't read your email. So what happens is you can use there are a lot of other email tracking tools that I have used, but I don't like others because they have what they leave their. If you're using the free version, they want to place their logo under your email, which I don't like. But this trick is good because it does not put its logo in your email, in the email that you are sending. So this is where you go to strict.com. So with the strict, you come under products. You see, so under products, they have this. They have email tracking, they have mail money, they have a strict share. But our interest here is email tracking. Okay, so just click email tracking. So when you click email tracking, so you click because I have already installed it, it tells me installed, go to Gmail. But if you didn't install it, it will tell you add to Gmail. So let me just get this link and put for you in the chat box. So this is the link for you to get in the chat box. So now what happens is when I come back to my what? To my Gmail inbox. See my Gmail inbox here. And then when you look at the top right, you see the streak icon here. It's written streak basic. So this is the free version of a streak. So this means that the streak is already active on my Gmail account. So I just sent this email to someone. I will come to my sent inbox. I want to see the email that I sent. So under the email that I have sent, at the rightmost corner, you will see these things here. Like this one is 18 days ago. This one means it shows that the email was last read 14 days ago, 13 days ago, and this and this and this. Also, immediately the email is read, it will send you a notification that hey, this email was opened. At least you will know that somebody is opening your email, not where you send an email somebody does not what open. And then let's come and say you read this email. Okay, I send this email to someone. Now you will see this eye icon here. So this eye icon here is for streak. It will show you when the email was opened. You see, like here, it was opened on October 15th at 3:13 p.m. This one was open. It was open again on October 15th at 7:05 p.m. Again, it was opened on October 15th at 8:23 p.m. You see, and then also it will show you location. You see, here it was opened in this place. Again, unknown location. Again, unknown location. So this is maybe where somebody uses VPN or stuff like that. So the location you cannot trust so much because some people use VPN or some people use proxies networks for their internet connection. But at least what is very important for me here is to know whether the email was opened or it wasn't opened. Mawood, I hope that is clear.
Yeah, thanks you, Bida. You have answered my question.
Okay, great. Yeah, it works on a computer only. Just know that. Yeah. So now let us move to some productivity tools that you may also find very useful. Another one that I use very much is called Tiny Wow. So Tiny Wow is a platform that you can use for solving your conversion problem because sometimes we want to really convert certain documents urgently. Let's say we want to convert PDF, we want to convert this. So Tiny Wow is a good platform where you can convert your files. Okay, free AI writing, PDF, image, and other online tools. You see? Now, one, you start with PDF. This one helps you to edit PDF to PDF to what? JPEG to PDF. You can also merge PDF. So if you want to have all PDF tools, you click here, all PDF tools. So all tools for PDF are here. All of them are here. If you want to, merge means you have different PDF documents, but you want to put them into a single PDF file. And then here you can edit PDF where maybe you have a form in PDF and you want to fill, you can use this. And then if you want to convert PDF to picture, if you want to convert a picture to PDF, if you want to change the background of an image, if you want to compress a PDF, maybe the PDF file is very big, you want to reduce the size by compressing it. You want to split, maybe you have big PDF file and you want to split into different PDF files. And then you have a Microsoft Word, you want to change into PDF. You have PDF, you want to change into Word. Sometimes these days you see people lock PDF files using passwords. Even there are some PDFs where you cannot edit because they are locked, but you can unlock the PDF here. So when you click this tool, you will be able to unlock a PDF file that is locked. You can change PDF to Excel, you can change PDF to PowerPoint, you can change PNG to PDF, you can change a publisher document to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, you can crop a PDF file, you can delete pages from a PDF document. All this, you can do them here. You can e-sign. You can sign a PDF document using this. You can rearrange PDF. You want to rearrange the pages in a PDF. You can add watermark to a PDF and so forth. And all PDF tools, you can find them using on tinywow.com. Another one is image tools also. Image tools, they are here. All image tools also, the same like one for Rajale. Let me just share with you guys this website. I remember I forgot to share. Maybe share with you in the chat box. The link is here. The link is here. And then, so when you come to this image, you know, sometimes we want to manipulate images in a lot of ways. So here you can generate image using an AI. For instance, let me try this AI image generator. So you come here and yeah, you can put a description of your image. Let's say you want a small boy reading a newspaper. Generate this. Let's see. Let's see. It's processing. Processing network. My network is a bit slow. I hope it comes quickly. Maybe it's too complex for it also. Or maybe because I didn't sign in. I've not signed in, by the way. I've not signed in this platform. But I see there's an option for signing in that website. Okay, yeah, it has generated. So usually it's not really perfect, but it attempts. Ah, I didn't put boy.
I was expecting a boy from South Sudan.
But I didn't put South Sudan. Yeah, but then you can, at least it has tried somehow. Yeah. So you can actually just put any instruction that you want, and then others you want to remove a background from an image, PDF to an image. You want to upscale. You want to increase the resolution of an image. Compress in case the image is big. You want to reduce the size. If you want to extract text from an image, you can use image to text. If you want to do your profile, you want to create a round profile, you can use the profile maker. You want to blur the background of an image. You want to remove objects from photo. You want to remove watermark from an image. You want to remove a person from an image. So these are some of the tools that are used by people who spread disinformation. They use some of these things from here. So there are very, very many. So what you do is at your free time, you can just check them out and see which ones you may want to try out. And then the other one is the tools you can use for writing. Yeah. So essay, they have an essay writer. If you want to write an essay, you click the essay writer. And then you put your essay topic. Put your essay topic here. Let's say, for instance, the importance of online meetings, maybe. And then the number of paragraphs you want. Let's say I want only 2 paragraphs. What is the education level of people who want to read it? Let me say high school. And then I click generate. They want me to confirm these capture tools here. What I can do here is then it generates, it is attempting to generate for us an essay on the, yeah, so here it is written. It is writing already. You see, it has written. Online meetings have become increasingly important in today's digital era. They provide a platform for people to connect and collaborate from anywhere in the world. One key advantage of online meetings is convenience. Gone are the days when individuals have to travel long distance to attend a meeting. With just a few clicks, anyone can join an online meeting from the comfort of their own home. This not only saves time and money, but also reduces the carbon footprint. Moreover, online meetings foster inclusivity as they allow individuals with disabilities or mobility issues to participate without any hindrance. Another significant aspect of online meetings is their ability to facilitate effective communication and collaboration. Visual elements such as screen sharing and slide presentations enhance comprehension and engagement among participants. Everyone can share their ideas, opinions, and experiences, resulting in a more diverse and enriched discussion. Online meetings also enable the recording and transcription of conversations, which can be beneficial for future reference or participants who are unable to attend. Additionally, these meetings often have features such as live chat and interactive polls, promoting active participation and boosting overall comprehension of the discussed topics. In conclusion, online meetings have become a vital tool in today's fast-paced world. They offer convenience, inclusivity, and foster effective communication and collaboration among participants. With advancements in technology, online meetings are likely to continue growing in importance, revolutionizing the way people connect and engage with one another. You see this? Now, if you want to download this, you can download. You can save to device, or you can save to your what? To your drive, or you can just select and then you copy and you can paste wherever you are. So this is underwriting. Another one that you can others include if you want to improve content. You have content that is already there. You want to improve in terms of maybe checking the grammar and stuff. They have also paragraph writer, paragraph completer. Maybe you have a paragraph that is incomplete and you want it to complete for you. You can use it. Story, you can write the story for you. Grammar fixer, if you want to fix grammar errors. Sentence rewriter is for rewriting. YouTube script, if you want to write a YouTube script. Content summarizer, if you have very long content and you want it to be summarized. The long article, you want to write captions for Instagram, you want to write explanations, LinkedIn post, paragraph rewriter, article generator, business names. Also, they have business name generator here. They have tone of voice, title rewriter. Too many. There are too many. So what you do is just check out at your free time. Just check out at your free time and see what really works for you, because most of them, like, they may not work for all of us. We may just be interested in one or two of them, um, but you can just check out at your free time and you choose the one that can really work for you very, very well. um, Now the next one is video tools. Video tools for people who are into video and stuff. So if you are into video and stuff, you can actually use these ones. this tool for video. So here, if you want to download a video from Instagram, download video from TikTok, if you want to compress video, like the video is big in size and you want to reduce the size of the video, you can use the compressed video. And then they have this, which is Twitter download. If you want to download a video from Twitter, you can use this one. And then if you want to change video to MP3, like maybe some of us don't like watching videos, but maybe you want to listen to the audio, you can change here. And then you want to change video to a GIF, and then you want to change audio to text. Maybe you have audio, you want to transcribe the audio. But this one here, the accent of the person should be very clear. And then if you want to extract audio from a video, you want to download videos from Facebook, you want to trim, maybe you have a long video and you want to trim the video. And then there's a video format called MOV. You want to change it to MP4, you can use this. If you want to change the resolution of a video, you want to convert video into text, YouTube video, again, video into text, M4A, MP3, and so forth and so on. There are too many. There are too many here. You can also use these tools. The last one is files. How you can play around with a lot of files, Excel, PDF. You can split Excel, and so forth. So TinyWow is really very handy, and it's your one-go place for file conversion. Anything to do with file conversion, you need to use TinyWow. You can sign in using. You can sign in if you don't have an account. You can sign up here. You can just put your email. You can create a password, and then you are good to go with your TinyWow account. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free, and it is free. Any questions on this? Okay, so another. If there are no questions, let us move to the next tool we have in our list. Another one is You. So You is a privacy-focused search engine. But what I like about You is its WhatsApp chatbot. So actually, you can go to you.com. So You is good because it has a WhatsApp chatbot. So it has like a search engine that is based. You can just chat with it on WhatsApp. You write, and then you can get your responses from there. So when you come here, you click this. Try us on WhatsApp. Try us on WhatsApp. Click this. Click this. Try us on WhatsApp. Let me just put the link in the chat box for you guys to follow. And then, so this is your exercise for now. Let's go for a 3 minutes break. Click this, and then you tell me what happens. I have put the link in the WhatsApp group. You try, ask it any question, and I will give you a few minutes for feedback. So this is your exercise. Click that and go and chat with it on WhatsApp. Are we together? 3 minutes. 3 minutes for all of us, please. 3 minutes for all of us, please. 3 minutes for all of us. 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 Are we together?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
We are.
We are
Okay.
together.
Okay. Yeah, just click the link and follow on WhatsApp. Who has succeeded? Who is already on WhatsApp with it?
It is me. Ojara is. I've tried it. It's working out.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might continue to chat.
Perfect. Just go ask it. Ask it even ask it what is the University of Juba, and then see the response.
Will they not say Jamajuba, University of Jamajuba?
My friend.
What is the University of Jamajuba?
I tried. It's so amazing.
It's good, right? Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for the feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is
It's
how.
so beautiful.
Okay, great. So that is how it works. So you can actually have a search engine within WhatsApp. So you don't have to go to your browser in order to do a quick sort of search into something that maybe you want to find out urgently. But also you can search with it, or you can search on its browser here. You can search it is also here on the browser, or you can also download the extension. It has a Chrome extension which you can download and ask here. Let's say what is Excellence Foundation for South Sudan? So let's see whether it can give us a response. So you see, it has been able to fetch our website, our YouTube, our Facebook. You see, that it gives us info. So I think the good thing about it is it has access to the internet. So which means that it gives you actually latest and updated information. So that is it, guys. The next one that we want to look at is content ideas. So content ideas is powerful tool for content discovery as well as for content research. So let's say that you are doing a research, and then you want to find out content about a specific topic. Let's say maybe you are somebody who is passionate about humanitarian work. Just write here humanitarian work, and then you see what kind of content is out there about humanitarian work. Then you click enter. So you see it gives you results about humanitarian work. Haiti, ICRC to expand humanitarian efforts in response to rising violence. Salma Hayek's favorite director to work with. She's genius. UN staffers killed in Gaza as the organization calls for emergency funding. Sheikh Nasser bin Ahmad announces weekly cash prize for base camp. So it gives you content ideas around humanitarian stuff and stuff like that. Let's say you're somebody who likes fashion. Maybe you like fashion uh, and celebrity life, like this. And then you enter fashion and celebrity life.
Sorry, Bidai, your screen is not changing. Sorry, Bidai.
Oh yeah, sorry. I didn't actually share the other screen. So this is, let me just begin again. So this is the content ideas I was explaining. This is the website. Let me share the website in the chat box. This is the website for content ideas. This is my, yes, this is the website for content ideas. So this is the interface. It just has this interface. You can show on off, and then this is where you can search. So in this box is where you put the topic that you want to find out. So for instance, let's say you want to do fashion and fashion. You want to find content around fashion. So you see what some of the content around fashion, what people are writing about fashion. So it can give you heads up into what you are researching about, and then you can pick it from there. You see, or maybe if you are somebody who is a content creator, so you see even gives you some engagement, some level of engagement, and even the sentiment around this particular piece of content. So then it can shape like your strategy towards creating certain pieces of content that you would want to share with your audience. Okay. And then the other example I was giving was humanitarian. Yeah, so we look at humanitarian content. It also brings this, you see, a lot of work, a lot of articles written around humanitarian work. It gives you the website where it is written, the headline. If you want to read, you will then click. And then the idea is to just give you content ideas and see where you can pick up from, especially when, like I said, it's good when you're somebody who is a researcher, and it's also good when you're somebody who is let's say even we look at artificial intelligence. Let's see the topic of artificial intelligence. Let's see what people are writing about artificial intelligence. Yeah. Yeah, so you see unique guide to generative AI applications in media unveiled. Here are 8 keywords related to artificial intelligence, power generative. So you see a lot of articles, and it gives you heads up, and then you can pick up from there somebody who wants to create content. So that is content ideas. And then another thing is all of you would agree with me that that most of us here don't actually read what you call terms and conditions, these legal documents and stuff like that. So most of us just agree like that. But then if you want to get summaries to your legal documents, the summaries of legal documents, okay? The summaries of legal documents. You can come to this site called the Tangle.ai. So the Tangle.ai can give you the summaries of legal documents. Like I said, if the document is too complex and you don't want to understand it, you can just upload. You can come here and click detangle document. But here, let's look at some examples. You see, so for instance, these are examples for the terms and conditions for X, formerly known as Twitter. So when you come here, the summary is here, that these terms govern the use of X services. One, for you to be able to use X, you must be above 13 years. You must own the content that you submit, but also you grant the X a license to distribute and adopt it. And also the X can also remove the content that violates its policies. And the services are provided as is with no warranties. X can suspend accounts and change or end services anytime. These terms are governed by California law. Legal disputes must be handled in California courts. You see? So it just gives you a summary of some of the terms and conditions contained there. And then problematic, no minimum age, problematic problem, no minimum, and stuff like that. Original document is here. You see this? So this is how this works. And then if you want to do your own document that you have, you can click the Tangle document, and then you can upload the document here. So once, I don't have a legal document in my computer now. If I had, I would upload. What happens? You upload the document here, and then you put your email, then you click this. Then it will generate a summary of that legal document for you. So that is how the Tangle works, so that you can easily understand, and it breaks down the thing for you. The next one is for you to chat with a PDF document. So what happens is you have a PDF document, and maybe you want to understand certain things in that PDF document. So you can come to askyourpdf.com. Let me share the link in the group. Askyourpdf.com. So when you come here, you can upload your PDF document here. Let me see if I have a PDF document. I do have. Let me check which one can I upload. Okay, this is an assignment that I did recently, so I will upload it. Then it analyzes the document. Yeah. Then I can ask questions about my PDF document. So you see this place, ask any question about your document is where you can write your questions and then you get responses. So you can try that out at your free time and then see the responses that you can get based on the document that you are able to share. And then when you're able to, so so you see it gives a summary. Here, the document of Avlo is a course assignment for the Bachelor of Arts in Mass Media and Communication program at Mount Kenya University. It is specifically for the course unit, Theories and Models of Mass Communication, and has a deadline of 4th of October 2023. The student who submitted the assignment is with the student ID of this. The assignment instructions include guides for font type, line spacing, font size, and referencing style. Additionally, the student has signed a declaration affirming that the assignment is their original work and has not been plagiarized. Here are 3 possible questions you can ask me about the document. What is the deadline for the assignment? Can you provide more information about the unit? Okay, let me just ask this, and then I see what response it can give. What are the guidelines for font type and stuff like that? So you can ask it questions about the PDF document. So that is how it works. And then you can come here on your left. Here is where you can see your conversations that you previously asked. Here is your knowledge base for this platform. But then for you to access some of these things, it's usually good for you to log in. You see, that's why they're asking me to log in, but I have not logged in. I don't want to log in anyway. So that is how this works. And the other one that is similar to this is called Chat PDF. So Chat PDF, let me put the link in the chat box. This is the link to Chat PDF so the Chat PDF is also the same like the other one there. So you just upload your document. Let me upload that same document. I upload it. So then you see it gives a summary again. This is the document I uploaded. It's even this one is even funny because it even gives the entire document. You see, it shows like like the entire document is here. And then now you can that this is the question is this. Here are 3 examples. You can ask it questions about this, but for you to get chat history, you need to sign in. But this is how Chat PDF works. You can ask it questions about this PDF document for you to understand the document better in terms of maybe technical things that you want to find out and stuff like that. So, any questions about that? Any questions?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thank you. My question is related to data privacy with the AI productivity tools. I know there's been conversation, especially on the European Union law, about the concerns on the privacy, because like everything now for IA is free, and we do not know the safety of our information or how we interact with these, how our personal information ends up, and all these concerns. So I'm just wondering whether you have any idea about such things, where the information, individual information, is being privately stolen and used without your knowledge and all those, etc. And this can also expose some users to future hacking, just like when we are chatting on WhatsApp and all those other things. Yeah.
Exactly. So what happens
Over
is
to you.
thank you. So some of them are very honest. So like for instance, when you use Google Bard, they will tell you some of the information that you provide will be used to improve the tool. And then also they caution you against entering private information. So what happens is when you interact with these tools, do not provide very personal information that can be used to compromise you or your assets in the future. So when you use it, you also need to be very careful about the kind of information that you provide to the tool. So like you mentioned, so that you don't become a victim of circumstance. Also, some of them, like for instance, when you come to this tool here, they have their policy here. So what you do is you can click this and then read what their policy says. Like you see, their privacy notice. You see, like here it says, this privacy notice for chat PDF describes how and why we might collect, store, use, and or share or process your information when you use our services, such as when you visit our website at chat PDF or any of ours that links to this privacy notice. Engage with us in any other ways. Summary of key points. What personal information do we process? When you visit, use, or navigate our services, we may process personal information depending on how you interact with Chat PDF and the services, the choices you make, and the products and features you use. Okay? Do we process sensitive? We do not process sensitive personal information. Do you process third parties? We do not process them. So you see, this information has, like when you need to take your time to also check through the policies of each of the platform that you use. But very often, do not put your personal information when you use these tools. Is that clear? But some of them are actually very honest. They will tell you they use your information in 1, 2, or 3 ways. So it's now you to know because they provide you for free actually, yeah. So that means now they benefit from the use of your information in return.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Okay, great. Any other question from any other person?
Yes, Bida, thank you so much. I have a question, but it's not about what we are learning. There is an app. It's called External, and people are now using that app. You can use on your mobile phone to access maybe videos. You can chat with that app without them charging you anything, but you can access internet fully. So I want to ask, is this app really safe, or it's another way of maybe getting people's information?
It's called what?
It's called External.
What is it used for? You said?
It's used for accessing internet.
It is
No, it's just
BPN.
it's not external.
BPN.
Yeah.
It's a BPN type of external.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's a VPN, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So you can use internet free or you use certain apps only. I
It's
haven't heard of
free.
it.
It's free.
Okay.
Yes, once you are
I think.
connected, you can just use it for free.
Oh, I see. Very interesting. Mahmoud, is that what you're using now?
Actually, I'm not using it, but I used to use it.
Don't tell him,
Yeah.
Lodu. Bida will never send us airtime again.
Okay.
You crack
so
you.
I think.
You're a cyber criminal. Yeah. So don't even tell.
Okay.
But
Okay.
to some device, yeah, Bida, to some device,
Yes,
it's not
please.
compatible with them. That kind
But
of
it's
VPN to some device is not compatible, in which to some device does not work. But it's a kind of the free VPN.
okay. I see.
The spelling is you just write X and then capital X and then capital X, then T, U, capital T, then you just write U, double N, E, L.
Capital X and then T?
T, capital T also, yeah. Then U.
Oh,
Small
it's
U.
here. Okay, and then NNEL VPN, right?
Yeah.
This one. This one,
Yes.
right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. It's crazy. Yeah, but actually it depends. Yeah. So most often they sort of they most often they just benefit from the use of your information. Yeah. Yeah, you see, even I see from the reviews here, you see this person is saying this is a platform which boosts the internet free. I use the app only for many days, but it doesn't change or misbehaving. It is very smoothly. That I'm so happy. I am enjoying the app. Actually, it works easier. I do not do online studies. So there are some reviews here about the app, so you can read and then see what people say about the app. So it's amazing. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for sharing. But I think it shouldn't be a problem for you to use it. Um, yeah, what is very important is you need to be very careful about the kind of platform that you visit when you're using it. Especially don't use it when you are maybe going to your banking app or when you're going to your mGurush app and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Any other questions? Okay, so if there are no other questions, those are the tools that we have prepared in our list. So if you have any additions that you want to make, you can maybe if there's something that you want to know, maybe what tool that can be used for some other kind of task, you can ask, and then we can just look for it together here, because we are done with our list, and then we have 30 minutes left before the session ends.
Yeah, that
Yes,
there is a question
yeah.
on the chat box by Dennis. Dennis is asking, how can you convert someone's writing to be yours? I don't know whether you can take up that question.
No, you already answered. That one is not encouraged. Yeah, it's not encouraged. Like you shouldn't want to make someone sing your own. It doesn't work like that. Yes, any other? I see somebody say, can you compile all these useful links and share with us? All these links, when you look at the presentation, when you see a presentation having this, it means that the link is hyperlinked here. So when you click this, it will take you to it. So don't when we share the presentation, just click on these things. You will go to they will take these links will take you to these tools. So we'll share the presentation, and that is where you can pick from. Also, we will share this. This is a spreadsheet of some of these tools that are compiled. We will share these spreadsheets in your emails so that you can also check out some of this at your free time. Yeah. So this is a spreadsheet having a list of some of these tools. Some of them we have not talked about them, but these are things that you can also explore at your free time. Any other questions, please?
Abidal, this Ojara.
Yes, please.
Yeah, in some time back, you share us with the link of the chat GPT. Actually, 2 times I've been using it. Again, sometime I have problem in connecting. I don't know if the problem is my phone or maybe
The problem with Chat GPT is ChatGPT, you see, it is not available in South Sudan. So for you to
Yes,
use
this was the
ChatGPT,
message.
for you to use ChatGPT, you have to use VPN, and then you also have to register using a foreign number because they need a number for you to confirm. You see, you see now when I come here, continue with Google, it will tell me services not available in my country,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes. This normally it tell me the same. But sometime back I was in Uganda. I was enjoying their services.
Of course, because you are in Uganda.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank
but
you.
in South Sudan, if you want to use in South Sudan, make sure you put your VPN on first, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, on your phone and computer, make sure the VPN is on first, and then after you have switched on your VPN, and then you use it. But there's no need to use ChatGPT because most of the other tools, like we talked about, they also work the same like ChatGPT. I think the other one that I did not show you is this one by Microsoft. Let me just go to my Microsoft store. Okay, there's this one by Microsoft called let us just look at it briefly. It was something that we didn't look yesterday. So let me just share my screen. Which window? Okay, this one. Okay. I hope you can see my new screen. So when you use Bing, all Windows computers, they come with Microsoft Edge search engine. So when you go to Microsoft these days, you will see this. You will see this. So this is their new Bing AI. So it's really good. And let's say latest, let's say latest news on Sudan war. Enter, and then you see here there's up here after search there's chat. So I want to move this way, chat. So the good thing with it is it can give references, okay? It can give references to the sources. You see, I found news articles about ongoing war in Sudan. Here are some of the latest ones. A new round of talks between the representatives of both the Sudanese armed forces and Rapid has started in Jeddah, according to a Saudi statement. Outbreaks of cholera and dengue fever in war-torn Sudan have left more than 100 people dead since August, the health ministry said Saturday. The prolonged fighting in Sudan is likely, you see. So this is how the Bing AI actually works. And yeah, so this is it. You can continue to ask it questions, but then you see it has references. It shows you where it got this news from. You see English, Medical Express, MSN, Al Jazeera, USnews.com, and stuff like that. You can ask, maybe you can say, who are the key actors? Who are the key actors? Maybe in the Sudanese war. Then you wait for the responses. The ongoing war is a complex conflict involving multiple actors. The two primary factions are the Sudanese armed forces and the Rapid Support Forces. The fighting has pitted Sudan's two most powerful figures against each other: General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan, who leads the army, and General Mohammed Hamdan Daglo. So it provides sort of and then it provides this where I got information from. So maybe you can say what efforts you can say what efforts are being made to say the Sudanese war. Maybe you understand what is being done in terms of efforts to the war are being made by various countries. The United Nations, through its remains committed to supporting the efforts. The African Union, the IGAD, the United States, so that is how this one works. So if you're using Microsoft Edge as a search engine, so this might be something that you also try out. You should rely on ChatGPT, Jara. These one can help. Because all of them are built on the same technology. So all of them are built on the same technology. All of them are built on the same technology. Like I said earlier.
Okay, thank you for that.
Okay, great. Yep. So, any other questions? Yes, Mahmoud.
Okay. You can go ahead. Then
Okay.
I come in.
I want to ask about the tool that we can use, like in a book designs or book layouts and all cover design of the books. As an artist, we usually work on this point whereby we talk of the arts. What are the tools that AI can help us using freely at this point?
You want to get templates for book covers?
Yes.
Okay. So I think for that one, you use Canva. Yesterday, I don't know if you were there, but if you were there, I told you about Canva. So when you come to Canva,
Yes.
Canva is at canva.com. Okay, you come to canva.com. So when you come, are you seeing the screen? So when you come to Canva here, so what you do is just type here book covers, if that is what you're looking for, right? Or if you want, you can also give description of the kind of books that you want. Maybe like here they are saying thriller book covers, journal book covers, and stuff like that. Maybe let's say story, maybe children's stories book covers, maybe something like that. And then you search for templates. So when you come here, so you see templates for book covers. You see, they are here, very many. So you can then see and you see which one draws your inspiration. But it really depends on, yeah, on the kind of thing that you like this. You look for it like this. Let's say that you want book covers for, maybe you say romantic novel book covers. Just enter here, and then you see the kind of templates they can bring for you. You check slowly. So usually you see like here, you see how many templates? 161,878 templates. There are too many. So you just check through slowly. And then once you get the one that you want, you can click on it and then you edit. You can edit, you can change the colors, you can remove the pictures, you can add the pictures that you want, but they're here. There are too many, too many. I hope that answers your question, Maud.
Yeah, you have answered it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, there are no copyright issues, Moses, no copyright, because these are royalty-free book covers on Canva. All these things on Canva free,
Okay,
so
thank you. Yeah.
you can use them the way you like.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Good. So my
Yes, please.
my
You're welcome.
comment is actually a comment, not a question, because we are coming to an end. So generally, I would say this is actually very insightful, and my frustration is that I'm only seeing for people in this training or this masterclass, which is very disappointing considering we are really struggling as South Sudanese putting our things together, ideas in terms of writing, and we are ignoring these opportunities. Maybe my recommendation would maybe suggest that you work with some institution to try to build the capacity. If you look at maybe the press secretaries, the journalists, or these editors, it can help because really in some of these institutions people are struggling to put some good ideas and information together in a very right way. Also the students around the universities, if there is something that can be done around that, then I really see there can be a lot of impact that you guys can do on this. And then I think because we are just struggling, just using the old modern way, old days kind of tools, when we have a lot of information and a lot of products and tools that can actually make us more productive and be creative in whatever that we do. So that's what I was actually suggesting. And thank you so much.
Okay, great. Yeah, thank you so much, Moses, for the insights. Yeah, so for me, we like the problem with working with schools, like for instance in Juba, recently we had a project where we work with schools. Probably if you are in the WhatsApp group, you must have followed. We had a project called the Juba Primary Schools Mini Competition, where we brought about 14 primary schools to compete in spelling, in speech, in quizzes, as well as in some sort of academic debate. But at least this time, I must say, we got schools that were very understanding because we placed some responsibilities on them. But like some of the schools, like the university and stuff, the problem is when you go to the administrators, maybe you seek permission, maybe you write the request for you to do such an activity and explain how it will help them. The problem is these people, one, they will want you to provide refreshment, maybe lunch and stuff like that, to these students, and then some of them even they will want you to pay for their halls, for the school halls that you use. So which becomes really very challenging in terms of them making it difficult. Even I remember at DeFi Head earlier this year, we went to do we went to do we wanted to do a cybersecurity training for students at the Catholic University. First, those people, when they say you need to go and bring a security clearance from the national security to allow you to do this activity in our school and stuff like that. Like seriously, it makes really work very hard for a lot of organizations. That is why you see that much as organizations try so hard to really see that we build ourselves together, but also like the administrators, some of the administrators of these institutions, they make work really pretty hard for some of these for some of the organizations that are trying their best. You work with an organization, you probably can testify to some of these challenges, even to some of these challenges, especially in the area in which you are having interventions. So you might be facing similar challenges when it comes to administrators as well as local authorities. So, but then we are trying our best. And then I see a question from Daniel Juok. Is there any tool that you use for academic research? So what particularly do you need in terms of the academic research? Because all these tools can be used for academic research, because all these tools can be used for academic research. But let me just show you this. We have this called Google Scholar. This is in case you want to get heads up. Google Scholar. So Google Scholar, this is the website, scholar.google.com. So here you can come and you can see for academic researches. You see here, so you can search. Let's say, okay, can you give me a topic, Daniel? Give me a topic that I can search for, please. Daniel, are you there? Daniel Juok?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm there.
Yes, give me a topic.
Okay, you share the diversity of gastrointestinal parasites in large ruminant.
The what?
Did
Pardon?
you get me? Diversity of gastrointestinal parasites. Oh, sorry.
Diversity of
gastrointestinal parasites.
Intestinal parasites. So here, you can see the outcomes here. You see, these are written by people. Like here, you see prevalence and diversity of gastrointestinal parasites in small ruminants under 2 different learning systems in Jenin district of Palestine. Diversity and prevalence of in seven non-human primates of the Tai National Park in Cote d'Ivoire. So you see, you can get some similar kind of research written on these topics, and then you can sort by date. Let's say maybe in your research you are restricted in terms of these days, because I see these days research supervisors, they restrict that don't put any information maybe after 2017. Maybe they want latest, so you can say maybe you want only from 2017 up to 2023. Then you can search here. You can search here. Now you see it has been changed. Now you see this 2018, this 2018. You will see the years here. So this is one place that you can go for your research. Is that clear, Daniel? Google Scholar.
Yes. Clear. Thank you.
Another one that you can use is also ResearchGate. ResearchGate is also good. You can find as well publish your research here. I see a lot of people, they write their research. I would advise, for instance, get the PDF and you publish. When you come to ResearchGate, you create your account. After you are done with your research, it is approved, you can upload it to ResearchGate. So this can also help people. It can also boost your search engine optimization for your name. So this is one place where you can go for your research. The last one that I can recommend for you is academia. Academia.edu. So this is good place also where you can where you can sign up and upload your research, and you can also find research work on it. So let me just put these links there for ResearchGate. For ResearchGate, it's here. And then for academia is academia.edu. So this can help you in getting similar topics for your research. And then somebody is saying, is there any app that can be used to connect all social media accounts? That is, yeah, that is now social media management, Christopher. So I don't know whether Christopher is in the call, but what you are asking for is a social media management tool. Yes, there are social media management tools outside there. So for instance, I was using for managing our organization social media, but SEMrush, they were using free, but now they have taken away the free one. So there are a lot of tools. You must have missed the session we had on social media management, but one tool that you can use is called Buffer. So you come to Buffer. So with Buffer, the free one you can call your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you're on inside LinkedIn, this is Buffer. You can create your account, and then it accepts Facebook, Google My Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Mastodon, Pinterest, Shopify. So these are the platforms that you can accept. So, but like I said, the free option, you can only accept 3 accounts. If you need more, then you have to pay. And then the other one, and then also the free one, you can schedule posts to be posted in advance. You can schedule only 3 posts. And then another one that you can use also that I recommend very much is called Fedica. So Fedica is good also for social media management. It's here called Fedica.com. So Fedica also the free one. You can add 3 social media accounts and you can add more. But if you're using only Facebook and Instagram, you can, yeah. So this is the one. This is, yeah. So this is the one here. You can use this. So Daniel, Christopher, I can recommend for you these 3. These 2. You try these 2. Try Buffer and try Fedica. But like I said, only 3 accounts. If you want to connect more accounts, then you have to pay. You have to pay some dollars monthly or annually. And I see someone is asking, what tool can we use to create a logo out of the business name? Yes, so we have a lot of tools that you can use for designing logos. I remember just type, go to Google and type free logo maker. So when you come to free logo maker, there's this one that I have ever used. Did I use this one? Yeah, this one is good. The first one is good. So you come here, then you put your business name. Let's say my business name is Bida Enterprises, Bida Enterprises Limited. Then I click make logo. So after that, I can put a slogan of my business. So let's say my slogan is we speak money only. And then we go, I can select my industry. What is my business about? E-commerce, financial services, event planning, consulting, hospitality, legal services, manufacturing and public relation, news and information, photographer, let me say retail shop. Then I move on. Then I choose what is the color that I need for my logo. I hope you are following the person who asked. I hope you're following. Adol, I hope you're following. And then
Yes,
I can
yes,
choose
I
the
am.
colors. Okay, let's say I want blue. It gives you the meaning here. Blue means strength, power, and reliability. Okay, let me choose blue. Then I continue next. Then I choose what writing style do I want. Let me say I need modern, handwritten, elegant, bold. I need the bold to leave an impact. Then I move on. What keywords do I want? Money, retail. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's good. Then I move on to next. Then colors. My logos are from the name. My logos are out, so you can see the logos here from based on the name and the settings I made. If I want to use icons, you see they put icons here. You see, these are some of the logo designs. They make a lot, and then you can choose from them. If I don't want to see these icons, I want only the names. I can do icons. Only I want name only without icons. You see, so it creates this. You see, Bida Enterprises Limited. This only name. You see, it is also attempt to create this. If I want this, if I want icons back, and then I can choose the color, the text. The text I already chosen. Alas. So you see, these are the logo templates. And then let me say that this one works for me. I like this one. This one is good. Yeah. So let me say I want this one. So it will bring you here, and then you can customize. Customize means you can make further editing to it, and then after that, you choose the one that you want, and you can proceed. So that is how if you want to save logo, they will ask you to. If you want to download the logo, you will have to create an account first. After creating the account, then you can download the logo. Or if you don't want to create an account, you can just screenshot. I can get my screenshot here, and then I can capture this part that I want, this part of the logo that I want, like this. And then I screenshot it, I capture, and then I download without creating an account. Is that clear at all?
Yeah, thank you very much. Got it.
Oh, okay, great. Any other questions? We have 9 minutes left. Any other questions or final comments from anyone? Maybe any other one last tool that you want to know for doing one or two things so that we can look for it together? Okay. Silence means no more